In this video, I will show you how to download and use Wispr Flow to transform your voice into perfectly formatted text and commands. Let's get started. First, I head over to the Microsoft Store on my desktop to find the app. In the search bar at the top, I type in Wispr and select Wispr Flow from the results. Since I have already installed it, I will click Open to launch the application. Now that the interface is up, I can see various sections like the dictionary, snippets, and style settings in the sidebar. To get the most out of the app, I need to enable a specific feature. I click on Settings at the bottom left, navigate to the Experimental tab, and toggle on Command Mode. This allows me to give direct instructions to the AI using my voice. Next, I want to create a shortcut for text I use frequently. I go to the Snippets section and click Add New. I'll name this snippet Scholarship, and then paste in a full scholarship application letter. Once I click Add Snippet, this text is saved and ready to be triggered whenever I need it. To see it in action, I'll open Chrome and go to my Gmail to compose a new message. I'll clear out my current draft so we can start fresh. Instead of typing, I simply activate Wispr Flow and say the word scholarship. You can see the voice bars reacting to my speech, and the entire letter is instantly populated into the email field. Finally, I'll use a voice command to refine the writing. I highlight the text, activate the command feature, and say, simplify the wording and make it clearer. Wispr Flow processes my vocal instruction and automatically rewrites the letter to be more concise. It is a seamless way to draft and edit professional emails using nothing but my voice. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.